Hi everyone, welcome to A Square Maths. Today we discuss about probability problems. Okay, so in an experiment of drawing a card at random from a pack, the event of getting a spade is denoted by A and getting a pictured card is denoted by B. Find the probabilities of A comma B comma A intersection B and A union B. So here first of all, probability is denoted by, let us take P of E is nothing but any event. So event of probability, we know that probability of event E is nothing but N of E by N of S. N of E by N of S. So in this case, N of E is nothing but favorable cases of event E. N of S is nothing but total cases of that experiment. Okay, so here we discuss about some probability. Okay, so tossing a coin, we have in the experiment of tossing a coin there are two possibilities. So what are they? Either we get head or tail. Okay, so two possibilities are there, total possibilities are two, so that means N of S equals to 2. Okay, so let us take event E is nothing but when we are tossing a coin, getting head. So how many favorable cases to getting head? That is nothing but only one. So that means here event E is equals to 1. So what is the probability of getting head? Is nothing but P of E equals to N of E by N of S. That equals to what we get here? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So this is the probability of an event E. So what is the event here? Event is nothing but getting head. So getting tail also, how many favorable cases? Again here also only one. So N of E equals again 1 we get here. So what is the probability? Probability of E equals to N of E by N of S, that equals to 1 by 2. So here probability of getting head also 1 by 2, probability of getting tail also 1 by 2. So this is the probability for the experiment of tossing a coin. Next, see here. One more example I will take here for probability. Throwing a die. So there are total possibilities are, we write here 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. See here, when you are throwing a die, we get either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. So how many they are? N of S equals total possibility is 6. Clear? Total possibilities are 6. Suppose we are throwing a die that will be getting 1 or 3 or 5. That means odd numbers. Okay, let us take E be the event. E be the event that getting odd numbers on the face of a die. So we have only 3 favorable cases. So N of E equals to 3. Right here. So what is the probability? Probability of event E is nothing but N of E by N of S. N of E by N of S. So that is 3 by 6. That is also 1 by 2 we get here. Okay. So getting even numbers also. Suppose we take here. Let E be the event that getting even number on the face of a die, then how many possibilities are exist here? So they are 2 comma 4 comma 6. These are the favorable cases. How many they are? Again we get here 3. So what is the probability of getting even number on the face of a die is nothing but P of E equals to N of E by N of S. So that equals to again 3 by 6, that equals to 1 by 2. So this is the example for getting even number on the face of a die, getting odd number on the face of a die. So this is the probability. Here finally probability is nothing but favorable cases of that event by total cases. Here also favorable cases and total cases. So here now go to given problem. So I think understand what is probability here. What is the probability is clear. So see here. Okay. In an experiment of drawing a card at random from a pack. So in a pack there are 52 cards are exist here. So N of S equals to, we write here, N of S equals to 52. Why? Because in the experiment of drawing a card at random from a pack, in pack we have 52 cards. We are selecting only one card from 52 cards. So that is nothing but in 52 C1 ways. So 52 C1 is nothing but 52. Okay, right. Next, the event of getting a spade. So in these 52 cards, which type of cards are there? Suppose I will write here the type of cards here. So A will be there. Then after 2, 3, up to so on 10, J, Q, K. So A to 10, so there are 10 cards are exist here. Okay, A is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on 10. So 11, 12, 13. So 13 types of cards are there. Okay, 13 types of cards are there. Okay, in these 13 type of cards, each and every card also having one symbol. Which type of symbols are exist here? Now I will write the symbols. So there are 4 types of symbols like this: diamond, spade, pool or calaver, heart. Okay, so each and every card also having these symbols. So how many total cards are there? Totally 13 type of cards are there. Each and every card also having these 4 symbols. So 13 cards into 4 symbols. So 52 cards are existing. Okay, right. So in this case, this is spade, heart, diamond, fool or calaver. See here, these 3 cards, these 3 types of cards are pictured cards. These are pictured cards. Okay, so this is totally in a pack. Different type of cards are exist here. So the different type of cards also totally 13 cards are there. Each and every card also having the symbols: diamond, spade, calaver and heart. Okay, and pictured cards also exist here. Each and every picture card also having the symbol here. So see here. Now given problem, the event of getting a spade is denoted by A. So what we take here, by the given condition we write here now. A be the event, A be the event that getting a spade, a spade. Okay, so this is nothing but spade symbol. So each and every card also having this symbol up to K, A to K. How many cards are there? 13 types of cards, 30 types of cards are there. So each and every card also having spade. So how many spades are exist here? So n of a, number of elements of A. So A is nothing but getting spades. So 13 types of cards, 13 C1, that equals to 30. Okay. Now we find out here P of A, probability of A. So directly already A is there, so P of A. So what is P of A? Favorable cases, that means n of A by total cases n of S, that is nothing but 13 by 52. So P of A is over. Next P of B. So what is B? Given that getting a pictured card is denoted by B. So that means that again we write here B be the event that getting a pictured card. That getting pictured card. How many picture cards are there? So 1, 2, 3. 3 types of picture cards are there. J, Q, K. So each and every card also having these 4 symbols. So J also having diamond, spade, fool and heart. So this card also having 4 cards, 4 types of cards here and 4 and 4. So 3 picture cards into 4 symbols. 3 picture cards into 4 symbols. So how many they are totally? 12 types of picture cards are exist here totally. So that's why we write here n of B, number of elements of B, that is nothing but 12 C1. So that will be 12 we get here. So now we find out here probability of B. So P of B. So P of B equals to n of B by n of S. N of B by n of S. So that is nothing but 12 by 52. So P of B is also completed. Next we write here A intersection B. So A intersection B means here both A and B, which type of cards are exist here? So that is nothing but A is nothing but spade card, B is picture card. So spade card and picture card. So J also having this spade and Q picture also having this spade and K picture also having spade cards. How many cards are there exist here? Only J spade, Q spade, K spade. So common elements are only 3 cards are exist here. That's why we write here n of A intersection B, number of elements of intersection B is nothing but how many cards are exist? Only 3 cards are exist here. 3C1, that equals to 3. That means J మీద సింబల్ ఉంటుంది, Q మీద ఈ సింబల్ ఉంటుంది, K మీద కూడా ఈ సింబల్ ఉంటుంది. అలాంటి సింబల్ కలిగిన కార్డ్స్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి అంటే 1, 2, 3, ఓన్లీ 3 కార్డ్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో దే ఆర్ బోత్ ఆర్ ఐదర్ A is nothing but getting spade and B is nothing but picture card. Spade and picture cards are only 3 cards are exist here. So that implies probability of A intersection B, that equals to again we write n of A intersection B by n of S. Favorable cases by total cases. How many they are? That is nothing but 3 by 52. So this is also completed. Now we find out here A union B. In the finding of A union B, now we will know that here one theorem, that is addition theorem. Addition theorem. So that is P of A union B is equals to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So this is called addition theorem. Addition theorem. P of A union B equals to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Now we write here, now we find out here P of A union B. So P of A will be equals to P of A. What is P of A? We got here 13 by 52 plus P of B. What is P of B? 12 by 52 minus P of A intersection B 3 by 52. So take LCM, we get here 52 is LCM. 13 plus 12 minus 3 we get here. 13 plus 12 minus 3. So 13 plus 12, that is nothing but 25. 25 minus 3. 25 minus 3 is nothing but 22 by 52. Okay.